Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. We continue to be in the range, but with some local downside pressure that we already saw earlier today. In my first video earlier today, I highlighted the need to, basically to break above this Friday high to clearly put the, let's say, the bulls back into the driver's seat. That hasn't happened, so the pressure therefore remains down. We're anyway far away from the top of the local range, which is located here at $102,570. And overall, yeah, but what can I say? The overall scenario hasn't really changed to really get further confirmation that the white scenario is going to send us down into the mid 80k region. We need a break below the 18th of February low. Very well possible that this is going to happen from here. Therefore, I'm tracking here the white scenario lower. At the moment, idea would be that we could still get a wave 2 bounce. Okay, it's also possible wave 2 already topped, but then we would already be in the third wave, and it should give us a very direct move down. Either way, as long as we don't even break above this initial resistance area, which is between 96,003 and 98,305, the near-term pressure seems down. Okay, near-term pressure seems down. And yeah, as I said, I see two possibilities. Either this is a wave 1 in white of wave C, and then the wave 1, however, would probably be some kind of an ABC structure, and this C wave is an ending diagonal. Either way, there is a resistance area here, and it might be tested. It doesn't have to be tested. It just gives us the key area that the price could get rejected from if tested. Yeah, if this resistance area is tested, and only a break above this resistance area will be an early indication a low is in place. Then obviously we also need a break above this wave 1 high. So it seems at the moment as if the bears are in control, but we haven't broken below the Tuesday 18th of February. Below that level, let's say we break below this level here from the 18th of February, which is at 93,000, yeah, 450, 400, 450. Then the next key level to watch is the previous swing low that formed on the 3rd of February at 91,340. And below that level, we are dealing with the 13th of January low. Very important level as well at 89,233. I have to say, I mean, Bitcoin hasn't even moved much today. It's mainly the altcoin sector that gets a lot of people worried. Bitcoin, to be honest, isn't doing anything that we haven't talked about. It's just moving in a range. Still, I'm tracking two scenarios as part of a larger degree bullish, let's say, scenario still. And we talked about the daily chart yesterday. I can open that briefly just to show again that even if we follow the short-term bearish scenario, probabilities are still high for one more high. I mean, not like overwhelmingly high. I've been cautious about this chart since end of November because we are now in a topping range, but that doesn't mean we couldn't move higher once more. Assumptions are that one more high could happen, but either directly, but then the bulls really need to show up now, or after another dip into support, then in probably a wider wave 4 correction. And the price could then again attempt a rally from maybe the 82k region. This is the 38.2 retracement, and the next important larger degree support on our Fibonacci support zone. Honestly, this support zone has been on the chart for many months. I think it should all be clear. Okay, whenever we're dealing with a wave 4, it is clear that the price could easily test the 38.2 retracement. I think what gets a lot of people worried, and I fully understand that, is that the altcoins are again still being outperformed by Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin now started to drop to 82k, I mean, a lot of the altcoins would break their local supports and fall back to either completely new lows or their larger support areas. Yeah. Some of them might be then, like on the link chart, I made a video about link earlier today, like the August low from last year, which is far away from where we are now. So anyway, I mean, we're dealing here with larger degree support on the daily time frame. No changes there at all. Bitcoin down 2.5%. Not even noteworthy, really, when we take a look at it. On a daily time frame. On the smaller time frame, might very well be that we are following the white count. However, is it a direct move down? Do we get another bounce into resistance? Market needs to decide that. Difficult. You can't commit to a micro count here. Not in this range. We still are in a range. First confirmation that we're breaking out to the downside, of the range is a break below the 18th of February low. More relevant confirmation will be a break below the 3rd of February low at around 91,340. We have to still show patience. The near-term pressure, however, seems down, especially today, trend down. So at the moment, given that we're very close to support, it seems likely that the market breaks to the downside. But what you often get in crypto is maybe a brief break of support without a sustained break, and then a quick recovery. That's always something we had it quite often recently. These liquidation, small mini liquidations, or even a larger liquidation, brief break of support, then attempted reversal. So it's just something to be aware of. Not much more to say though. Again, Bitcoin is not so not really any decisive price action yet, even though it seems like it wants to go down a little bit further. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional content, check out our main channel, MCO Global, for additional updates, longer time frame analysis, and so on for various asset classes. Only yesterday I covered Ethereum. I also uploaded earlier today, an Elliott Wave trading video. So yeah, check it out, and you'll find a link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.